Building wealth is a multifaceted journey that requires discipline, planning, and consistent effort. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to amplify your existing wealth, implementing effective strategies is key. Here, we'll explore actionable steps you can take to improve your financial standing and pave the way for long-term prosperity. Set clear financial goals. Define your financial objectives with clarity. Whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or starting a business, having specific goals helps direct your efforts and prioritize your financial decisions. Create and stick to a budget. Establishing a budget is fundamental to managing your finances effectively. Track your income and expenses meticulously to identify areas where you can cut costs and allocate more funds towards savings and investments. Invest wisely. Diversify your investment portfolio to mitigate risks and maximize returns. Explore various asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Consider seeking advice from financial advisors to tailor your investment strategy to your risk tolerance and financial goals. Save consistently. Make saving a habit by setting aside a portion of your income each month. Aim to build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and contribute regularly to retirement accounts such as 401k or IRA for long-term financial security. Educate yourself. Stay informed about financial matters by reading books, attending seminars, and following reputable financial websites. Understanding basic financial principles empowers you to make informed decisions and navigate the complex world of finance more effectively. Minimize debt. Reduce high-interest debt such as credit card balances and loans as quickly as possible. Prioritize paying off debts with the highest interest rates first while making minimum payments on others. Avoid accumulating new debt unless absolutely necessary. Increase your income. Explore opportunities to boost your earnings, whether through advancing your career, pursuing additional education or certifications, starting a side business, or investing in income-generating assets. Increasing your income provides more resources for savings and investments. Plan for the long term. Develop a comprehensive financial plan that accounts for your short-term and long-term objectives. Consider factors such as inflation, taxes, and potential market fluctuations when crafting your plan. Regularly review and adjust your plan as your circumstances evolve. Practice patience and discipline. Wealth accumulation is a gradual process that requires patience and discipline. Avoid succumbing to impulsive financial decisions or trying to time the market. Stay focused on your long-term goals and remain committed to your financial strategy. Seek professional guidance. Consider consulting with financial advisors, accountants, or estate planners to receive personalized guidance tailored to your specific financial situation and goals. Professional expertise can help optimize your financial plan and address any blind spots. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts to ensure consistent contributions without relying on manual effort. Automating your finances can help you stay on track with your savings goals and minimize the temptation to spend impulsively. Leverage tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts such as health savings accounts, HSAs, flexible spending accounts, FSAs, and 529 college savings plans to reduce your tax burden and optimize your long-term savings potential. Take advantage of employer benefits. Utilize employer-sponsored benefits such as matching contributions to retirement accounts, health insurance plans, and employee stock purchase programs. These benefits can significantly enhance your financial security and provide valuable opportunities for wealth accumulation. Continuously monitor and adjust your investments. Regularly review your investment portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and market conditions. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain diversification and optimize performance. Invest in yourself. Invest in your skills, knowledge, and personal development to increase your earning potential and expand your career opportunities. Consider pursuing advanced education, attending professional workshops, or obtaining certifications relevant to your field. Protect your assets. Safeguard your wealth by securing adequate insurance coverage for your health, property, and liability. Review your insurance policies regularly to ensure they provide sufficient protection against unforeseen events that could jeopardize your financial stability. Cultivate multiple streams of income. Explore opportunities to generate passive income through rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, royalties, or online businesses. Diversifying your income streams can provide additional financial security and accelerate your wealth-building efforts. Practice frugality without sacrificing quality of life. Find ways to reduce expenses without compromising your overall well-being. Embrace a minimalist lifestyle, prioritize value-based spending, and seek out cost-effective alternatives without sacrificing quality or enjoyment. Stay disciplined during windfalls. Exercise restraint and avoid splurging when you receive unexpected windfalls such as bonuses, tax refunds, or inheritance. Instead, use windfalls to bolster your savings, pay down debt, or invest in opportunities that align with your long-term financial objectives. Cultivate a positive money mindset. Develop a healthy relationship with money by cultivating gratitude, abundance, and optimism. Practice mindfulness around your financial decisions, focus on abundance rather than scarcity, and celebrate your progress towards achieving your financial goals. Improving your wealth requires a combination of prudent financial management, strategic planning, and continuous learning. By implementing these strategies and staying committed to your financial goals, you can enhance your financial well-being and build a solid foundation for a prosperous future. Remember, small, consistent steps taken today can lead to significant financial growth over time.